I've always viewed it as, again, back to independence. And if you are earning a high salary, but you need that money
Mm.
to pay your bills this year, you have no independence whatsoever. But if you have lower expectations and a lower level of life, still a good life, not a completely frugal life, a good life, and your savings can cover some portion of that, that's going to give you a better sense of contentment in there. I think ambition is a wonderful thing. But I also have a level of savings that would tell me that if I did not earn more money next year, even if my income collapsed next year, I'd be okay. And particularly at this phase of my life with kids, nothing matters more than me to that. For 25 years, having the savings built up to which we're going to be okay. Because income can be much more fickle than savings. Income is much more fickle than savings.
Mm.
And when that happens to you, and it will, or maybe it already has, the savings that you've built up in the previous years is going to be the most valuable thing that you've ever imagined. I view savings as an expense, just as I would view rent or food and whatnot. You don't have to save in the sense that you have to buy food. But once you view savings as a nice to have, it's almost unavoidable that you're gonna avoid doing it.
If I think about it as an expense.
I think about savings as the most valuable portion of my financial life. I think the idea that life is more fragile than we want to admit. Careers are more fragile than we want to admit. The economy and geopolitics are more fragile than we want to admit is why you should save. The constant chain of unknowns and surprises in your personal life and throughout the broader country, the broader world. And that's why savings is mandatory. Even if you don't have any desire to learn about money or finances, you have an obligation to learn about it and to respect it because it's going to impact your life whether you like it or not.
That's the 10% rule. And that's how you can make savings a habit, no matter how little or how much you make.
It's like anything is better than nothing is the most important rule of thumb.